we'll be discussing Grand Jete, which is an iconic jump in ballet. Our preparation for Grand Jete starts at the bar at the beginning of class. From first position, Catherine will first take a tendu. From here, the tendu graduates into the jeté, a little bit higher off of the floor. By the end of our bar work, we're ready for grand battement, which is the highest leg yet. To create a Grand Jete, Catherine will push off of her standing leg onto her leg that's in the air, creating the Grand Jete movement.
Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.